Hey friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple time zones on Google Calendar. So go ahead and open up Google Calendar from Google by clicking the apps here on the upper right hand side and go to Calendar. Now once you're inside the Google Calendar, guys, in order to go ahead and basically add those multiple time zones, click the settings here in the upper right hand side and go to settings. Scroll down to where you'll have a section called word clock and you want to enable this, and here you can add multiple time zones. So you just go through, select whichever time zones that you want to add. You can add multiple. It's endless, right? It says word clock, so you can add multiple time zones if you so desire. And you just go ahead and just find the ones that you want, add them, and that's it. Very easy, right? At any point in time you want to remove them, it's as simple as that. You can just uncheck this to disable them while keeping them for future use, or you can just go ahead and remove them one by one. It's really up to you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.